Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Android smartphone to your Motorola One Macro, for the first you have to get application to transfer data, and I recommend you to download application named CLONEit. It's really easy to use and you don't have to pay for it. Take this one and of course do the same on the second smartphone. Click open. Tap allow. Yes, we agree. And right now we have to click sender on this Android phone. Click set, turn on location, go back and click sender one more time. Receiver on the Motorola, allow, search again. And here we got the Android share icon, so click on it. And we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code, but also we can input this password manually. So pick your way. I'm going to scan the code. Click right here, OK. And right now, if you want to send everything, you have to click on all of these icons and then tap on the start. But if you want to get only some details, you have to click right here. And for example, we can send 2 songs. Select, click start, OK. And as you can see, it's finished. So thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.